Today, we'll learn about different types of fractions. Let's look at the shaded part of this circle. We can use the fraction 1/3 to represent the shaded portion of the whole circle. When the shaded parts grows larger, the fraction becomes 2/3. If the whole circle is shaded, what will the fraction be? It is reasonable to think that the fraction will become 3/3. However, we know that a fully shaded circle can also be represented by 1. Thus, 3/3 is equal to 1. For the same reason, we know that 6/6 is also equal to 1. In fact, any fraction formed by a non-zero number over itself is also equal to 1. Fractions can be greater than 1. Consider the sum of shaded parts represented by these two regular hexagons. We can write it as 1 plus 5/6, or simply as 1 and 5/6. The number 1 and 5/6 is also a fraction. It is called a mixed number. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. In a similar way, this sum can be represented by 3 plus 4/5, or simply as the mixed number 3 and 4/5. Fractions greater than 1 can be written in another form. Consider this equilateral triangle. We can use 1/3 to represent the shaded part. As the shaded part increases, the fraction becomes to 2/3. And finally to 3/3 when the entire triangle is shaded. If 1/3 of a triangle is added, we can use the fraction 4/3 to represent the total shaded parts. Notice this fraction, the number 4 on the top, is greater than the number 3 on the bottom. This kind of fraction is called an improper fraction. Here are 3 more examples of improper fractions. In each example, the numerator on the top is greater than or equal to the denominator on the bottom. When the numerator is smaller than the denominator, the fraction is called a proper fraction. Mixed number can be converted into improper fraction. Take a look at the diagram on the left. As a mixed number, it is 2 and 3/4. As an improper fraction, it is 11/4. This means 2 and 3/4 is equal to 11/4. Now, let's explore how to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. Starting with the mixed number 2 and 3/4. We know it is equal to a fraction with the number 4 as the denominator. To find the numerator, multiply the denominator 4 by the whole number 2. And then add 3 to the product. Finally, we get the improper fraction 11/4. Let's see another example. We want to convert the mixed number 3 and 5/12 into an improper fraction. We know that it is equal to a fraction with the denominator 12. Then, we multiply the number 12 with the number 3. And add 5 to the product. Finally, we get the improper fraction 41/12. Improper fractions can be converted back to mixed numbers by dividing. Let's start from the improper fraction 11 over 4. Consider the division 11 divided by 4. We get the quotient 2 and the remainder 3. Next, we can form the mixed number using the quotient and the remainder. Here is another improper fraction 35 over 12. We want to convert it into a mixed number. Consider the division 35 divided by 12. We get the quotient 2 and the remainder 11. Then, we can obtain the mixed number by the quotient and the remainder. Here is a quiz with 4 questions. Check whether you understand the concepts learnt in this video. Question number 1. Use mixed numbers to represent the shaded parts. Okay, please check your answers. Question number 2. Use improper fractions to represent the shaded parts. Okay, please check your answers. Question number 3. Convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay, please check your answers. Question number 4. Convert the improper fractions into mixed numbers. Okay, please check your answers. Let's see what we learnt in this video. First, we know that all proper fractions are smaller than 1. We know that mixed numbers and improper fractions are greater than or equal to 1. We can convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. Or, we can convert improper fractions back to mixed numbers by long division. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.